Hello, my name is Opeyemi Richardson Lowebo, the founder of Blue Blooms World. Okay, so what we do at Blue Blooms World is we stimulate, motivate, and nurture the creativity skills in children through art and craft training. We also create space makeovers, making the environment of the children stimulated enough to help nurture that creativity skill in them. We also plan and produce beautiful and easy to use art and craft templates and decals. So today, what we have for you is an art studio we just created. So I always say the environment of the child is very, very important. When you want to get a child, even in the normal classroom, the environment has to be very, very interesting enough for the child to be interested in learning. When the space is stimulating, the child has a lot to trigger his or her interest in learning, right? Which is why we advocate for the creation of a very, very interesting environment for children, whether it's a normal classroom, whether it's a bedroom, whether it's a park for children, whether it's an art studio, which we are about to show you. So we believe that a child cannot come into the art studio and it's just looking plain. There should be things to stimulate that creativity, to serve as a continuity in learning. When a child looks around, the child wants to create things like that. There are colors around and it helps the child to quickly catch a glimpse of what the teacher or the instructor is talking about. I bet you're eager to see what the before was like and what the now is like, right? So sit tight and please do watch till the end and you will be wowed. Our work is ready. Yes, so it's an art studio. Now remember our space makeover, the way we go. So we decided to use a theme on land of creatives. So the beginning of the theme, is on the staircase we have the step up with passion. There is a burst of creativity ahead. And guess what goes on the staircase? So we have footprints. So we decided to use green. Remember we said it's a land of creatives. So we decided to use green. So the footprints, it's just like Alice in the Wonderland. You wonder what are those prints from? Where is it leading you to? So and then it leads you to the world. Welcome to the land of creatives. Look at the children, so happy, so glad. So and then we have the board showing the works of the children for the week, outstanding works of the week. So we have from year 1 to year 6. Now let's take you to the world. Okay. Yes. Awesome, right? Yes. Okay, so we decided to, explore different ideas that children can tap into that will stimulate the creativity in children. And also remember the class signature of Blue Blooms World. Yes, our class signature. So that is also there. So here we have checklist on for your artwork, so the children are going to guide them on how to go about their artwork. We saw some mosaic works here and we decided to display them. So don't mind this. This is good that we're going to get that up. And guess what? Our decal is featuring too. So this is for you to realize, to know how beautiful our decals are. You can use them on glass, you can use them on any surface. Any surface. Okay, so now we go to the other part of the wall. So we decided to explore painting this time. Instead of our decal, it's an art studio, so that the children will also see what the magic of brush. So you can see the girl painting the sun. Beautiful, right? Yes. And our decal. See how beautiful, no glue, just self-adhesive on the wall. Pre-cut. Now there is a magic here that is not really showing because we're taking it at night. So we'll show you a view of this during the day. Now this is a stained glass from using our decal, Blue Blooms decal. So we'll show you that during the day. He wants to create, and that's exactly how children feel. So now we come here, we have the color wheel. Now the magic of this is that it actually can spin. So we have the color wheel, and then we have art, A-R-T. Okay, now this is also stained glass. Yes, deep color as well. So now we come here, remember it's space makeover, so we like to mask things. So this is also masked in, and then this section is for the materials. Now we have the art safety rules. We have the rules board, yes. And then we have on the left, we have the artist of the month. Now this is what we'll be discussing every month. An artist, globally, it has to be universally, Nigeria, outside Nigeria, so different artists. Now to our work table, yes, our work table. Now we have our crayons in the pot to make it easy for the children, personalize their material, the coloring material. Now we have the table. Now on the table, we have things, quotes, motivational quotes to ginger the children, to help motivate the children. Remember, stimulate, motivate, and nurture that creativity, that skill in the children.